iPhone 17 release date hype is real. Want to know when you can get your hands on the new iPhone 17? We dive deep into the rumors and past Apple release patterns to predict the iPhone 17 release date. Historically, Apple announces new iPhones in early September. Experts predict an announcement on September 3rd or 9th, 2025, with pre-orders potentially starting September 5th or 12th. Get ready for the next generation of iPhone innovation with potential release dates of September 12th or 19th. This video covers potential iPhone 17 Pro Max, Pro, Air, and base model release dates. Check the video description for links to pre-order as soon as it's available. Stay tuned for updates and get ready to upgrade to the latest and greatest. Don't miss out on the iPhone 17 launch. Looking to buy the iPhone 17? Check the links below for the best deals and pre-order information. Get notified the moment pre-orders go live.